presentations myself and my friends. My name is Raja Samboda. You can call me Asya. I live at Langkapura. My favorite movie is Harry Potter. My idol is K-pop artist. Tomorrow I will singing all day, and my motto is just believe you can do it. I have friends. Her name is Alia Rawandia Basari. You can call her Alia. She lives at Timur Putri. Her favorite movie is Inception. Her idol is the same like me, K-pop. Tomorrow she will sleep all day. Her motto is everything's gonna be alright in its time. My second friend is Fitri. Fitri is lives at Jagabaya 2. Her idol is Iqbal and Taylor Swift. Her favorite is Harry Potter. Tomorrow she will watch her motto is success. My last friend is Tanya. Tanya is lives at Tarahat. Her favorite movie is Harry Potter. Her idol is Taylor Swift. Tomorrow she will watch TV. And her motto is Thank you.